Lexa, leave him alone. Lexa, don't. She's pulling on him. Don't hold him back.
Lexa, leave him alone.
Stop stifling his creativity.
Here. Yeah. I know. How'd you get all the way out here?
Maddox, you're a crawler, buddy.
Hey, he's got
an army.
Okay,
girls. Okay.
Maddox, you are so fast.
Avery, don't sit on him.
Maybe you're sitting on him.
Give the man some space. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, how's my big crawler?
What's Dad saying,
Hi. How's my big crawler, buddy? You see Maddox and Mommy? Hey, buddy. Maddox. Hi, bud. Oh, my God. Alexa, seriously. Look, she just dived. You're silly. You can't get it, Maddox. I bet you can't get it. This is going on YouTube tonight.
Hi, buddy. What do you think?
Alexa, why are you doing this?